Alright guys, so another video on this WLToys RC Buggy. If you remember from the first video, I crashed it and broke the front right wheel, and I was actually able to find all the parts, and I just used some welder's glue and glued them back together. It's a little bit, well, it's not straight anymore because I think I bent some of the parts, like the metal parts, but it still will run. So I'm going to do a little FPV with this, and I got the DJI air unit on here, just kind of zip tied to the front there, along with some Velcro straps to hold the air unit down, and just powering it off the balance lead of the 2S LiPo that's inside. And I got a little connector there. I'm just going to power that up that way and use my goggles. Now I have the RunCam 2 4K here. Had this for a while. Probably will do a video eventually, but probably you're not going to see any footage. This is going to be footage from the air unit. I'll have this in another video later, and I'm just gonna FPV this on the ground around here and see how it goes. Alright, so no idea what the range of this controller is going to be like. It's not going to go too far. Oh, this is kind of an interesting perspective though. Let's see where I can go. I feel like one of those like tiny people. Everything looks so huge. Look at that giant tree, it's probably like 2 feet tall. They got a bit of a hill here. Yeah, some of you suggested skip analog for this one. You wanted to see FPV, and I agree. This is way better. The picture's amazing. You can see I'm over here. Let's go down this hill. Ooh, the brakes work. Let's make sure the run cam is still on there. Yep. I don't really have this stuff really all that secure. It's just on there with some Velcro straps. Not really meant to be on there permanently. Let's go down this fence here. That's interesting. Yeah, because the crash, doesn't want to go straight. Turn around. And yeah, got a new car. I don't have the Nissan Leaf anymore. That's a Kia Niro EV. Sticking with the electric cars. Let's see here. Can I go up this way? It's a little bit of a gully here. Whoa, I don't want to go off that cliff. It looks like a cliff. Let's go off this way here. Oh, this looks like a nice. Let's go up this hill. Oh, this is way more fun than driving this line of sight. The perspective is really interesting. Everything looks gigantic. I think these are like maybe a foot tall, at best 10 inches maybe. But they look like they're huge. Let's see, we got a curb or something here. I'm gonna try and avoid those. I don't know, I get stuck. Oh, this is super fun. It's super windy right now, so I'm kind of like glad I'm not flying anything. What's over here? Huh. These are more trees. So you can go slow on this one and fast. I got a little stuck there. I think my radio is losing range here. It's not responding. Come on back. Yeah, okay, there we go. And the range is not so great. Probably need to like put crossfire or something on here. Who's interested in a video on crossfire on RC cars? Let me know in the comments. Oh, this is interesting. What's in here? It's like a little adventure. There I am. I hope the run cam's still on there. It's a little bumpy. Otherwise I'll have to go find it. A little fast. Woo! And moving now. Getting a little more speed. Ooh! Uh-oh. Oh, I got over that bush. Is that run cam still on there? It looks like I see the shadow of it. Let's see if we go around this corner. I'm probably going to lose connection. The range on these RC cars isn't so great. I guess they don't expect you to FPV. Oh, come on, come on, let's go. We need something better. Now, once go left. Dang, this looks so fast. Oh, what's that? Is that a bird? Hello, bird. So some of you guys are wondering where I've been flying lately. This is like a school, or new school that they just built here in Tustin. It's near these hangars, these blimp hangars you guys have always seen in my videos and asking about. This whole area here used to be like some sort of a marine air base, I think, a long time ago. It's been closed for a long time, although the government still owns a lot of the land here. It's fenced off, but they've been opening up and developing little parts of this land here for houses and schools, as you can see, and retail over the last decade or so. The development's been very slow. Like that big blimp hangar you're looking at in the video right now was supposed to be torn down like 10 years ago, but it's not. It's still there. Oh! Crash. Run cam's still on there? It looks like it. Alright. Wow, this looks like a lot of fun. So the setup's super easy. I just soldered a little power cable, like a PH2 connector, to the power line that goes into the connector that goes into the air unit. So I have power, but I don't have battery voltage or any like that stuff that you connect to your flight controller for telemetry. So I have no idea what the battery on the car is at all. It's a disadvantage. And then I just made another little plug on basically the other end of the PH2 connector that goes. I just connected it to, or soldered it to one of those little pins that come with like flight controllers, and then I have that plugged into the balance lead. So you got to make sure your polarity is okay. Yeah, so it's just running off 2S, nothing special. and then you know, just kind of put a bunch of stuff and just shoved it inside and used a little bit of Velcro to hold it in place. It's not really all that secure. I figure if I crash or something, I can pull it out. I think there's some stuff on the lens. It looks like it's a little blurry. You probably want to clean that. So, no, I don't know what that is. Yeah, I'll just flash some photos up on the screen here, what the connector looks like, if I haven't already. Pretty simple, really, to get an air unit on here. It's probably easier than doing a Vista. Oh, you could probably do that too. Ah, now I'm stuck. I'm on something here. Oh, I think my wheel broke again. Maybe the glue broke. All right, that's gonna do it for this one. Talk to you guys later.